What's up, guys? I wanted to do a video on everything that I've learned trading meme coins. I've been doing it for a full year now, and I've learned so much, and I want to pass on those learnings to you. And I'm recording this video as I'm wearing my Peanut the Squirrel shirt. It's my biggest meme coin trade ever. So I've learned a lot trading meme coins over the last year, and there's still so much more to learn. Even though I'm in front of my computer hours and hours a day, it doesn't mean I'm an expert just yet. There's still all sorts of different nuances, and if you want to become a profitable meme coin trader, I think you should listen to this video. So the first thing I learned trading meme coins is it's a lot harder than it looks. Of course, everybody's gotten FOMO watching all these screenshots and P&Ls and influencers posting about meme coins, and it gives you the illusion that there's all sorts of different opportunities and you're going to hit a meme coin easily. But it's just not that simple because it's a very, very crowded space, and now more than ever, it's harder to tell what meme coins are legit. On top of that, the technology is getting bigger and making it easier to trade meme coins, which in turn is making it harder for people to make money. The market participants are more sophisticated, they have better tools, they can snipe faster, and because there's so many different tokens, it's harder to tell like which ones are going to take off, which meta is going to take off. You almost never know. The second thing I learned about meme coins is you really need to get amazing at risk management. If you don't practice risk management in meme coins, you're going to go broke. I've ran into countless people in chat rooms who are trying to run 1, 2, 5, 10 SOL up to thousands. And the biggest mistakes that they make are poor risk management, going all in on a token because they have a feel, and not implementing a bet sizing strategy. And by bet sizing, I mean like if you have 10 SOL, you shouldn't be risking 2 SOL on a single meme coin. It should be like 0.25 or 0.5. And you should be booking profits relatively quickly until you build up a bankroll to like 50 SOL or 100 SOL. So risk management is extremely important. You have a high likelihood of going broke. There's so many meme coins I've been in where I was like, this is it. There was one incident where I was in this meme coin and I think I put 5 SOL in it and it was worth 10,000 at one point. And I was like, okay, this is it. I'm going to let it run. And then I took my dog out and I brought him back in. I was gone for maybe 10 minutes because I was so excited. I wanted to get back to my desk. And that 10,000 was gone. I was down to like $1,000 or $2,000 or something. And I was just completely gutted. So that takes me to my third thing with trading meme coins that I learned. Your mindset and mental game is extremely important. You cannot beat yourself up on bad trades or missing out. You have to turn your mind to the next trade because you can go on bad streaks where you lose 10 times in a row and then you hit a 10th or 11th one. When I first started really getting in there, there was like a 2-week time. I was in front of my computer 12 to 14 hours a day for 2 or 3 straight weeks. And then I would hit a big meme coin and then I would lose it back on another one. Or I'd exercise poor risk management on another one and I would lose it back. And then my bankroll kept going up and down, up and down. And at first I got very frustrated, but I caught myself in my mindset and I trained myself to focus on the next opportunity. And that's when I hit Peanut, because Peanut came around and I actually fumbled it initially. I had bought in at 2 million market cap and then I sold it at 35 or 40 million market cap. I had watched too many coins, rally and then go backwards. Then I saw this thing rally to 120 million and then I started FOMO. I started feeling the FOMO, but I kept my cool. And once Peanut got down to 25 or 30 million, it retraced. that's when I started DCAing. And I DCA'd a significant amount of my bankroll at the time. I know I just told you about risk management, but there are certain plays that come up that you can eventually go into like that. However, you have to develop the feel for it, and I strongly suggest against it. But it was a big part of my bankroll. And then I woke up one day and it was at 500 million listed on Binance, and then it was at 2.5 billion. And that's around where I sold. I round tripped a small amount of it back, but after that point, I had a bankroll, and then I caught a few other trades after that. The next thing I learned about trading in meme coins is you don't always have to trade the new launches. Trading new launches is basically straight up gambling. There's way less skill in new launches than there are in established launches. And that doesn't mean that you can't hit on new launches. You just have to be prepared to lose a lot. And that is more like the lottery than anything else. Yes, there's a skill to it, which I'll explain in other videos. However, there's a better, more level-headed strategy you can partake in, and it's watching new launches, with their initial pump, letting the initial people take all their profits. Meanwhile, while you're doing that, you do the research for that coin, you do all the due diligence, and then once it settles at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 or higher $1 million market cap over the next few days, you soon can start DCAing in. That's what I did with Peanut. That happened a little bit faster, but I've talked to countless whales and really good traders who take this approach as well. They wait until the initial hype wears off, and then they start DCAing. And then they try to buy a significant amount of the supply when the market cap's low, and then they just hold it. The next thing I learned trading meme coins is you need to do your due diligence. The scams are getting more and more sophisticated over time. There's entire groups launching fake tokens, pretending that they're legit projects, that their only intention is to farm and rug you. Your due diligence includes checking all the top wallets, double checking to see if there's any weird volume or bots pumping up the fake volume, clicking on all the social media links, triple checking the GitHub, seeing if they changed the X account or changed the name of the X account or deleted the tweets, and seeing who those profiles follow to see if they have any sort of social clout on X or among, like, for example, the AI community, or is there a dev that launched another coin that was successful. Make sure you check all the top wallets, click through them, put them through GMGN, and see what else they're holding, see if they're connected to any sort of scams or anything. And there's just so many scammy devs trying to take advantage of people, so you need to do your due diligence. And the next thing I learned about meme coins is they're a lot of fun to trade. When you hit a meme coin, man, there's no better feeling in the world when you turn a small amount of Solana into thousands of Solana, 6 figures, and overnight, basically, it's like the best feeling in the world. You feel like a god, but do not get overconfident when you do that. Catch yourself, because remember, you could be running hot. It doesn't mean you're going to hit the next one or the next one after that. You have to exercise proper bankroll management. With bankroll management, like I mentioned earlier in the video, if you have 100 SOL and you're betting 25 SOL every single meme coin, your risk of ruin is extremely high. You'll probably go broke that day. If you have 100 SOL bankroll and you're only risking 1 SOL per pump fund, then you are giving yourself a chance to get lucky on some future coins. But man, it sure is fun trading meme coins, and I wouldn't trade it for anything. And the last thing I will say that I learned trading meme coins is it's hard to get away from the screen. There's so much action going on. There's so much happening all the time. I find it very, very hard to stay present in my everyday life because I'm always checking charts. I'm always looking for the new opportunity. And I had to learn to force myself to go do things other than looking at charts or trading meme coins and stuff, just to maintain my social relationships and my health and everything. I make sure that I go on hikes and walks with my dog. I go to the gym. I try to hang out with my family and just get away from meme coin trading, even if it's just a little bit of time here and there. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video and it helped you, please like and subscribe.